Here is Viper's Den. It's a blue trail that has some chunky sections, lots of speed, and some small jumps. It gets really fast near the end.
Oh. Ooh, that hurt. Oh. It's so steep right here. Oh, that's the part that always throws me off. I lose all my speed. Here we go. Wow, that was fun.
This is the blue jump line called Venom. It branches off of Itsy Bitsy and goes right into a slightly technical section before dropping you into a steep berm. I gained 14 miles per hour in speed just going down this berm leading to the first jump.
Whoa, that was my best yet. And they're gone, man. Little pedally spot right here, unless you're way faster. Oh my god, I'm exhausted.
If these videos were helpful, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment and let me know what you think of Spider Mountain. Thanks for watching. You're not here, remember? Show off. And cut. That was fabulous. You're such a good kitty. I really hope that came out okay.